Your body burns fat most efficiently during the first few hours after waking up. Most people accidentally shut that entire fat burning system off with their very first bite. Your first meal tells your body to either burn fat or store food as fat. We have studied thousands of people who struggle with stubborn belly fat for years. The fastest breakthrough happens when you change what you eat first thing in the morning. Today, we reveal the 10 best breakfast foods that actively train your body to burn fat. We will explain exactly what each food does inside your system based on recent data. Make sure to stay until the very end for our ultimate morning metabolism shortcut. Item 1. Whole eggs. Let us first fix the biggest hidden fat loss bottleneck in your body right now. Most individuals do not realize they are living with a sluggish and tired liver. Many people still believe that losing belly fat is only about counting your daily calories. Your liver is the main organ that decides whether fat gets burned or stored. When fat builds up inside the liver itself, your entire metabolism slows down completely. Medical data shows most adults over 50 have some degree of fatty liver disease. There is usually no pain and no obvious warning signs to alert you. You simply start gaining weight around your midsection and cannot figure out why. Fortunately, one specific breakfast food directly supports your liver and clears out that fat. That powerful food is the whole egg, including the rich yellow yolk. Egg yolks are the richest natural source of a critical nutrient called choline. Choline helps your liver package stored fat and move it out to be burned. Without enough choline, fat builds up in the liver, and weight loss becomes impossible. 2 large egg yolks get you close to half of your daily choline requirement. Once your liver has enough choline, it can process and export fat much faster. Eggs also contain a vital amino acid called leucine, which triggers muscle growth. Muscle tissue is what keeps your resting metabolism higher throughout the entire day. Research shows whole eggs stimulate 40% greater muscle building than egg whites alone. The micronutrients and healthy fats inside the yolk amplify the muscle building signal. When you throw away the yolk, you throw away the most powerful part. Do not let outdated cholesterol fears stop you from eating this incredible superfood. Aim for 2 to 3 whole organic eggs in the morning to maximize benefits. You can scramble, boil, or poach them using grass-fed butter for great flavor. Pair your eggs with fresh spinach or sliced avocado for a complete fat-burning meal. Item 2. Full-fat Greek yogurt, 2:15-4. Let us now fix a major mistake that makes most people hungry by 10 a.m. You eat a standard breakfast, but your stomach starts grumbling just 2 hours later. By mid-morning, you are reaching for a sugary granola bar or a sweet coffee. This happens because the low-quality protein you ate digested way too fast. Your blood amino acids rose quickly and then crashed down just as fast. When those levels drop, your hunger hormones immediately climb back up to make you eat. Plain cultured, full-fat Greek yogurt is a complete game changer for this problem. You must avoid the sugary versions with processed fruit sitting at the bottom. The key difference is the slow-digesting protein called casein found inside real yogurt. When casein hits your stomach, it forms a thick gel-like substance. This gel slows down how quickly food leaves your stomach into the intestines. Nutrients are released gradually into your bloodstream for many hours throughout the day. That steady release keeps your hunger hormones low and stable for a longer time. High-quality Greek yogurt also contains live probiotic cultures that change your gut health. Certain strains of good gut bacteria actually increase a fullness hormone called GLP-1. This is the exact same hormone targeted by popular and expensive weight loss drugs. Large twin studies show people who eat cultured yogurt have much lower visceral fat. Visceral fat is the dangerous deep belly fat that surrounds your vital organs. Flavored yogurts do not help because they contain over 20 grams of added sugar. That hidden sugar spikes insulin, which tells your body to store fat instead of burning it. I recommend 1 cup of plain, unsweetened, full-fat yogurt every single morning. You can add your own healthy toppings like fresh berries, chia seeds, or cinnamon. Item 3. Avocados. Next, let us look at a high-fat food that actually burns muscle fat. For decades, we were told to avoid all fats if we wanted to lose weight. Seeing an avocado on a fat loss list feels wrong to many people at first. They worry about the calories and assume it will slow down their weight loss journey. However, not all dietary fats behave the same way inside your human body. Avocados are loaded with a very specific monounsaturated fat called oleic acid. Oleic acid does something completely different than the saturated fats found in pastries. Inside your muscle cells, oleic acid turns on genes responsible for burning energy. Instead of sitting in your bloodstream, that fat gets used for fuel immediately. When researchers replaced breakfast carbohydrates with a whole avocado, the results were incredible. Participants reported significantly greater fullness for up to 6 hours after their meal. Eating avocado increases your fullness hormones, which eliminates intense afternoon cravings. Avocados also improve your overall insulin sensitivity, so your cells respond much better. When insulin stays low and steady, your body accesses stored belly fat easily. I recommend adding 1/2 to a whole avocado to your breakfast routine. You can slice it next to your eggs or blend it into a morning smoothie. Item 4. Steel cut or rolled oats. Now let us talk about a unique carbohydrate that works differently than most grains. Most carbohydrates quickly break down into glucose and raise your blood sugar. Insulin rises to move that sugar, which completely shuts down your fat-burning window. But certain special carbohydrates pass through your small intestine without fully digesting. I am talking about steel-cut or old-fashioned rolled oats cooked correctly. These do not behave like processed breakfast cereals because they contain beta-glucan. Beta-glucan is a special soluble fiber that absorbs water in your digestive tract. It forms a thick gel that slows down food moving through your stomach. This causes your blood sugar to rise gradually, so insulin stays perfectly stable. Data shows beta-glucan also increases the fullness hormone GLP-1 inside your gut. There is an even more powerful secret when you cook and then cool your oats. Cooling oats creates something called resistant starch, which completely resists normal digestion. This starch travels straight to your colon, where bacteria turn on an enzyme called AMPK. AMPK is the cellular energy switch activated during intense exercise and fasting. When AMPK is turned on, your body increases fat burning and insulin sensitivity automatically. Instant oatmeal does not do this because it is pre-processed and full of sugar. Buy organic, non-genetically modified rolled oats to avoid harmful chemicals and pesticides. Soak 1/2 cup of oats overnight in water or unsweetened almond milk. Item 5. Fresh or frozen berries. Let us now move to changing the actual behavior of your fat cells. Most people think fat cells are just simple storage units that grow or shrink. However, your body contains white fat cells and specialized brown fat cells. White fat stores energy, while brown fat actively burns calories to produce heat. As we age, active brown fat declines, making it easier to store belly fat. Berries contain natural plant compounds called anthocyanins, which give them deep colors. Anthocyanins are powerful antioxidants that protect your cells from daily damage. When consumed regularly, these compounds encourage white fat cells to burn energy like brown fat. A large study of identical twins showed those eating anthocyanins lost more belly fat. Blueberries were shown to have the strongest fat-burning effect of all the fruits. Do not confuse whole berries with fruit juice, which is stripped of all fiber. Drinking fruit juice spikes your blood sugar and floods your liver with pure fructose. Aim for 1 cup of whole, fresh or frozen berries every single morning. You can mix them into your Greek yogurt or your overnight oats easily. Item 6. Chia seeds. Let us tackle another major roadblock, which is getting hungry way too soon after breakfast. You finish your meal feeling satisfied, but your brain wants snacks 1 hour later. This is where tiny chia seeds can completely transform your entire morning routine. Chia seeds absorb massive amounts of liquid and expand heavily inside your stomach. That physical expansion takes up real space and signals total fullness to your brain. One study showed adding 1 tablespoon of chia seeds reduced next meal calories by 25%. As they expand, they form a thick gel that slows down your entire digestive tract. Slower digestion means perfectly steady energy and absolutely zero mid-morning energy crashes. Aim for 1 to 2 tablespoons stirred into your Greek yogurt or morning oats. Always let them soak for 15 minutes to form that powerful fat-burning gel. Item 7. Sprouted grain bread. Most people believe they must give up bread completely to lose stubborn belly fat. If you are eating white bread or processed bakery muffins, you are absolutely right. Those refined grains digest rapidly, spike your blood sugar, and shut down fat burning instantly. But sprouted grain bread is fundamentally different because of how it is manufactured. Sprouted bread is made from live grains that have already begun to germinate naturally. This biological process breaks down the starch and makes the fiber much easier to digest. Clinical studies show sprouted bread produces the lowest blood sugar response of all breads. It performs better than white bread, multigrain bread, and even traditional sourdough bread. Sprouted bread also provides significantly more muscle-building protein and healthy fiber per slice. Here's a scientific trick. Freezing and then toasting bread reduces blood sugar response further. Freezing alters the starch structure to lower the insulin spike by up to 39%. Stick to one single slice of toasted sprouted bread paired with eggs or avocado. Item 8. Grapefruit. Eating half a grapefruit 20 minutes before your main breakfast changes your metabolism. This is not a second meal. It is a tactical tool to blunt your appetite. Grapefruit is mostly water and fiber, which physically reduces how much you eat later. But grapefruit also contains a highly unique antioxidant compound called naringenin. Naringenin helps your liver process carbohydrates much more efficiently throughout the day. It also signals your body to burn small amounts of stored energy as heat. Clinical trials show eating grapefruit before meals caused significant weight loss over 12 weeks. Participants showed much lower insulin levels after eating, which unlocks stored body fat. Do not scrape off the bitter white skin, because it contains the highest concentration of compounds. Check with your doctor first, because grapefruit can interact with certain prescription medications. Item 9. Leafy greens. Sometimes you feel a strong craving for food when your stomach is not actually empty. Scientists call this hedonic hunger, which is a craving generated entirely by your brain. Special compounds inside leafy greens, called thylakoids, directly switch off these intense brain cravings. Thylakoids delay fat digestion, which releases hormonal signals that tell your brain to stop eating. In a 3-month study, women consuming thylakoids reduced junk food cravings by 95%. They lost significantly more weight because they simply did not want to snack between meals. 1 cup of raw spinach activates your stomach fullness receptors with virtually 0 calories. Leafy greens also contain natural nitrates that improve overall blood flow and muscle efficiency. You can blend 2 large handfuls of spinach into a delicious morning fat-burning smoothie. Add berries, grass-fed protein powder, and unsweetened almond milk for a perfect breakfast. Item 10. Black coffee and the personal shortcut. Finally, let us talk about the morning drink almost everyone enjoys, which is coffee. Plain black coffee on its own heavily supports your daily fat-burning goals. Caffeine signals your nervous system to release stored fat directly into your bloodstream. This biological process is called fat mobilization and increases your resting metabolic rate. But most people cancel out this benefit by adding sugary syrups and artificial creamers. Those sweet additions spike insulin and lock your fat cells for the rest of the day. On busy mornings when you do not want a full meal, You can use my shortcut. Blend organic black coffee with 1 tablespoon of grass-fed butter and coconut oil. Add 1 scoop of clean collagen protein powder and blend until it is perfectly creamy. The healthy fats provide long-lasting energy without spiking your insulin levels at all. This unique drink keeps your body in a fasting, fat-burning state much longer. Choosing the right breakfast foods is only one piece of the fat loss puzzle. If you eat at the wrong time, you can still stall your progress completely. There are 5 additional breakfast rules that determine if you burn fat all day long. Most people break at least one of these critical scientific rules every single morning. Watch our next video covering the 5 breakfast rules to burn belly fat right now. Click the video on your screen immediately to learn these non-negotiable metabolism rules.